morning, everybody. Your local handyman, the Handyman Leatherman. Here I'm camping again, but this time it's because I'm doing a job out of town. You can hear the highway noise behind me. We're right on the highway. Cute little campground over here by Mena, Arkansas. Shadow Mountain RV, so it's a really nice little place here. The one thing we ran into is they have free Wi-Fi here, but I could barely get any signal to my trailer. So I ran down to the local Walmart and bought a Wi-Fi extender. It's a Netgear, $50. And then I ran an extension cord to it, set it right out front of the camper, logged into it. Now we have full Wi-Fi signal. So next thing I need to get is a nice Wi-Fi TV, and we can watch all the free TV we want. So little helpful hint to us campers out there, $50 and I have full signal Wi-Fi. So that's only if they provide Wi-Fi you can pick it up. So this is going to stay in the camper for future camping projects. But I just wanted to show that to you guys real quick. Something that simple could make camping that more comfortable. So until we see each other again, you guys take care, stay out of trouble.